In this video, I'll show you how to install the GTA 5 style .aim mod in GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition for more accurate shooting on PC. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Close stuff here, right click on the game and select Open File Location. Go to Game Face, Content, Packs, create a mod folder. Check my video description for this text copy and then right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name it as mods. Once you're done, open the mods folder and drop this PAK inside. Replace the file the destination and then just close stuff here and launch the game. And now you can shoot like GTA 5. As you can see, there is one dot. You can easily aim. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.